Wairebi ya umwancho murigeria wegetaseni kya Ndizi TV nechinga kichindengo kwarigani atwe manyamangana Amayia asenchera yo bwenge eretaria ne Dorcas Kemuma na nigo charagire Chinsa Ikomi chabono maragoba pigo togo chukubata nere Petra Mukeira oyogo chukene kinga Mario gene chibicha ako ikira senchera yo bwekiranu nere Lydia Mose oyo kumanya asenchera yibimenyereyo nabogo tobwatia wetira senchera yo mutandao asense moya Facebook otunyabna Ndizi TV News Digital asense moye website na www.ndizitv.net na boigo ese YouTube tobwatie buna Ndizi TV News. Abanyakinyoro babukeire imeye wodi ya Bomorinda ebunge ya Bonchari meye county ya Kisii emambi ya rero nigo babuka no moichano monene maiga yokonyora omungino yomo no munyaroka oye baitire ase enyumba yaye obotuko bogokira rero korengana n'abanyakinyoro abo bokirana ase enkeyo nigo baba no moichano omonene ase bateba nigo oborendi bwabeire bogosarika asense yo asebono baborire serikali oswagati na gutinya oburendi ase ensemeyo naboigo kwenekinga ngochakia abale ke osengo chakabale kurigia igikirete ogoitwa ko omongina oyo amo no munyaroka oye
kali barayi baitu bali bachore tuba community policing na nyumba 10 mbakete that's why okonyora ng'umurayaro yomo nabo igo nabo twari gusabanga eserikali imokia maiso iguru asengencho kero umuntu abwatirwe keria abwaterwo sibune korengana nerichiko sengencha abande bono banarere kobeka chibonde umuntu agose tobeke bondi nande twamorora ekenyoro keri getabwati
kambi oyo mwisi kominto itire na mamo minto naro kure abaite twamo nje na akire bono mambiga anyuri buri biresiko gaiga ekemekengesa ensemo nikenesemo ngale kobura ngakire batarabuka naenda kuchimati kana muka muro minto mokogoti na muburi ngakire muburi atarabuka na mwana minto ontege nango barangiri osembabuke osembaitabe nachikurangiri mbali kokwana nasukumo murango obwerore gwasi nachikozo sukumaiga nayo mwana minto kararense ogwetika amanyinga igakire aitire narangiri gakimwana minto estanchungo gocha okominyoka gocha nkike gosikia bagaige nyombega mamere nale magose ndagu mama koko nali ku nyomba tuo mango twamosoke koko nali ngake tara kendo kora muna bamu agitenere woro muna asoki kunere bamure gosinya gitari nyubete ngana rosiri
atuka abaitire nyomba nenioro abakwete wono twasinyira kumanyambara biba baitete gaki bayo mongina gairirunya gitari wikirenjero okure nere bano bakure bonse babere no tukumetie kenyoro ntuma itingi kitoko koraga kie serikali etokonya gakie koro uchunguzi ngikiagera yaba akitwasabire serikali eturwanirire gakie tokonye
abarai amo n'abakristo asense moya Bonchari nigo baikirana ase ekirisi ya St Thaddeus Nyamyobo asogo chengera omuyega obokwa ekirisi kyo parish ase abarai barawa no murai osomo bunge wense moya Bonchari Dr. Charles Onchoke amo no mubunge wense moya Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro egati ya barai bande aboikirana ase ensemeyo oyo rae ekanisa gose misa aseri tukeri riarero no mo Bishop Joseph Okemwa oyo oboigo na kinga ekerisi kyo kyabeire ke koegwa parish asense meyo ya Bonchari wodi yariana ase center ya Nyamyobo.
Yes, yes. Asante sana. Yes. Thank you very much. Call me a bishop.
Ekiombe kyabarandia abechikanisa ase ekyo kimanyekanite buna Keumbu Pastors Association nigo bagendete gukora omuyiga ase ensemo ya Keumbu abo ase bachiramo eryo kwenekinga ngosabira bari county ya Kisii bakorawa n'omunyakerogo abwe ekiombe kyo nigo aberionchari nigo baterumna nige county ya Kisii yabeirege kumanywa asa magendero amanene
ngosaba ng'omurembe ogendere koba ase Gusii yaito ase ng'encho tosakogenderera n'okung'usanana Kisii county nero yarenge motwe ekegokorokana n'abamate baitu buna gochioma bei Migori naande na Transmara Kisii twarenge motwe naande tunyare goteberera okung'usanana n'echisege gati yaito Gusii yaito Kisii county ngotigarere magega igo togosaba ng'abarayi barobono iga monyare korengereri ng'a ninki moratiga ekero moraro oborayi
kwa niaba ya abana nse kukwana nkoringa osongo yaito tutete gutuma mang'ana amayasa ominto musimi warati uyore gabana yaito twanjete mono nyora mang'ana aro achira mange otogosaba ng'a aleto omorembe akwane n'abantu bonsi abarayi bonsi ababekamo mone gabana ntumune kanisa kirenge gitu na kiki ng'omorembe obase Gusii ekoro Kisii county ekare abire goturubana n'amagendera abire ko affected otogosaba ng'a atokonya sogokwana ne kanisa ntole tayari simulato kanie abatogo chicha tubwaterane asogokwana kolitu abire togokwana chinkwana chokugwanana elinda abantu abarayi baito twachorete bagenderere ko babakora gekara tugwatana na kanisa mana abarayi bense ekere kanisa nere gosabira omorembe
mwacho morigire togotigana na engane yaba agose abarandi abo baborire serikali ya county ya Kisii anena barayi goche amo elikogenderera ase magendero nigo togosuka motubika ase nsemo ya tabaka ase oyo kabeire omwe MCA bwodi ya tabaka oyo boigoro moncheria ase bonarure ebirengere byaje igoro ya uchumi yenseto ya Kenya asate birebuna nigo bari no kwegena buna uchumi nechi koguswana ase amatuko alimotwe ase kirinigo edora yaba gekogwa ase amatuka abwangoiga
edora eshiringi yitu negenderete gutwara chinguru edora egosiri chinguru chiaya kiera nyaika 162 na rere range 139 138 eketua sinyiru kweresa na antu tamanyima nkikegenderete
Morai wense Dr. William Ruto nigo ritukoriare agendrete nitaro yaye miji county ya Bomet ase agendrete gochakia omirobiri ya magendro anene asensemo ye chipara asaigoire chipara chensemeyo ya Bomet ase bono alire eira bunani gara chikone kinga magendro ngo ikare ase chinsemo chonsi asenseto ya Kenya ase boigo akire koko omurobiri obo bwagachi we chinyomba cha magori ainse ase atebire bunani gomorobero oyo gwatekerenga kyogosira abasae eryokoba emiremo.
Last time we were here at the February summit, and it became very critical because the issue of the future of the African Union was at stake in the context of the forthcoming elections of the African Union Commission leadership in February next year. When we were here for the summit, the Heads of State Summit, there were legal and technical issues that required urgent clarification so that the process of transiting from the leadership summit. And it became very critical because the issue of the future of the African Union was at stake in the context of the forthcoming elections of the African Union Commission leadership in February next year. When we were here for the
Tugos kamoto mwancho murigeria nigo omowaziri w'echinse chaisiko Musalia Mudavadi ainekeire ensecho ya Kenya buna umurai w'ekiama kia ODM nerurachi kwegwa obunyakirogo ase orogongo rwa Africa ase bono abairaneirie buya abaraikorwa ase chinse chiri chesiko abo babaire bagosira ogose barure ebirenge byabo byokumusira araira ase obunyakirogo obogose ase kiroge kyo obunyakirogo bwa East Africa ase bono atebire buna nigere buya ni chinechingaki chorogongo rwa East Africa korwa umurayi obo oyora chikotenenera ekiroge kyo asebona tebna nigo chinse mochinde cha orogongo rwa Africa buna North Africa bono barachi korwa omokonyi bo munyakirogo asense ya Kenya ekageire gocha korwa nero munyakirogo aseraira are egati yabanware abarwanireri bali bagochikoboria ekiroge kyo kyo munyakirogo ase obochori bore omotwe omwaka ogocha.
This is very significant, and the other regions shall now have an opportunity to offer leadership for the other 6 commission positions. The decisions were unanimous, yes, which was a very, very significant step away from where we started. You know, we had started with a fairly broad division last time we were here, but the conversations by the PRC and by the Executive Council of Ministers has brought us much closer together. And I can say that it was literally 100% decision, but unanimous is good enough. Well, I think the way we proceed from here is that first of all, as Kenya and as a member of the East African region in that context, we actually want to appreciate and thank our brothers and sisters in the African continent for making it clear, removing all ambiguities, that it is the turn of East Africa to provide leadership or to offer leadership in the African Union. So that is a very important statement, and equally for the deputy in the northern region. What it means for us in the East African region is that effectively all technical and legal hurdles have now been removed, and Kenya can now formally submit the candidate for the region, and really I don't have to mince my words anymore. Nothing should really bar, and nothing bars the opportunity for Raila to become the candidate for the region, and God willing, the chair of the African.
Mwanjumuri ngo kuiranere ngambuye muno asogotengera Amayia Chinsa Ikomi ya Ndizi TV na bobwansu Gusii erieta Dorcas Kemuma na nigo twabotane Lydia Mose oyo kunyamanya asenchera yimanyirio nere Petra Mukaira ene kingamari ogine chibicha agwikira asenchera eyobwikirano.